Experiencing issues with the Xfinity app on your Rogers network? It's likely due to latency during peak hours. First, confirm you have a stable internet connection with at least 10 Mbps using speedtest.net. Ensure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or higher, or your Android device runs Android 8 or higher. Update the Xfinity app to the latest version, currently 12.45 as of November 2025, to fix bugs like login failures and buffering. Clear the app's cache and data in your device settings. For iPhones, disable VPNs and low power mode. Android users, check storage and camera permissions for the app. If problems persist, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Keep in mind that older devices, like iPhone 8 or pre-2019 Android phones, might have compatibility issues due to deprecated API support. Still having trouble? Try rebooting your modem and router to refresh the connection. Toggle airplane mode on and off twice to clear network caching issues. For error codes like XRE001 or XRE004, log out and back in to resolve authentication issues. Be aware of ISP throttling on Rogers networks due to data caps, which can affect streaming quality. Looking ahead, Xfinity is integrating AI-driven features to improve app stability. Privacy concerns may arise regarding data sharing between Comcast and Rogers. For persistent issues, contact Xfinity support, but expect response times around 24 hours. Proactive maintenance like regular app updates can prevent many problems. Self-service tools aim for 50% automated fixes by 2026.